Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Jiocinema app or website and sign in immediately. You need an authenticated session. Once signed in, tap your profile icon at the top right or open the side menu to access settings. Make sure you're using the account that recorded the searches you want to remove. If you have multiple profiles, pick the correct one now. This prevents clearing the wrong account's data and keeps your preferences intact while you proceed to search history options. From Settings, locate History or Search Activity and open it. This shows recent searches and viewed items. Scroll through and decide whether to remove specific queries or clear everything. Tapping an entry usually reveals a delete or remove icon. Use multi-select if available to speed the process and confirm each deletion when prompted. Once done, the selected searches are removed from your account index, which helps tailor future recommendations and prevents after deleting, go back to the main screen and verify the search box no longer shows removed terms, then sign out and sign back in if suggestions still appear. Restarting the app forces a cache refresh and updates the interface. If deletions do not stick, update Jiocinema from your App Store or clear the app cache and device settings, then repeat steps. If you still see old entries, check for linked devices and repeat removal there. Sync delays can cause temporary reappearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.